It is 6:15 or 6:20 a.m. Your boy's voice is very raspy. I still got crust in my eye, but I'm about to work on this piece and possibly record a sketchbook tour over here on my desk. But before that, I think I need some coffee, the way Rose needs her breakfast. Now I'm about to put y'all on to a secret here. This is what I call the lazy man's morning coffee. And what it is, and I mean this kind of started during COVID when I got too lazy to make my own cold brew. You go to Starbucks in the afternoon for your afternoon break, you buy a venti. You drink half the venti, and then the next morning you have the other half. Lazy man's coffee. Boom. Alright, it is now 7 a.m. Your boy recorded part 1 of the sketchbook tour. I have about 30 or so minutes before I gotta get ready for work. I'm still in the t-shirt that I was asleep in, and now we need to put in some time into this painting, so let's do that. A little background on this painting. I've been working on this painting for like 3 years, on and off. I started it, it's based on a sketch that is somewhere around here. I need to find the original sketch, and it's changed. It's, you know, the goal and the meaning behind the painting has shifted over the years. I've left it to work on other projects, and then, you know, recently there was a death in the family, and I repurposed it as a dedication piece by channeling one of the characters on here who I guess you could say isn't alive at the same time as the other two characters, but his spirit is alive and hugging them in this painting. And that's why the background is just littered with other old drawings of that character. We could get into more of that later. Let's just put some time into it right now.
That's a story from long ago. And I forgot. Time never stands still. I've gotta go. Punch it.
Alright, it is now time for your boy to go get ready for work. So I hope you enjoyed this short studio vlog. Expect to see more of these. Look out for that sketchbook tour. I think I'm gonna do 2 or 3 parts. Part 1 should be coming out this week, if it's not out already. Yeah, stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.